Hello. Okay, just we are going for the live stream. Okay, today the last 45 minutes are 30 minutes trade. It is too much volatility in the market. Due to the too much volatility in the market, we cannot find the good upside or downside. Of course, the individual scripts are performing good. Okay, there is no problem for the scripts, but everything is showing upside. In case of Nifty spot, when you find the Nifty spot, see hourly, simply it is struck in the range 18,500 and 18,530. In between, it is trading in between hourly. 18,500 to 18,520, 530 range. You cannot expect much more downside once the 18,500 is taken out. Then only can find up to 18,440 level. Above 440 level, always it is going to be good going, no problem. The 440 is crucial on closing basis. Okay, below 440 you can find the level up to 18,300 zone. Okay, still it is doing good due to some script Hindustan Unilever. We are finding somewhat dragging the market towards 18,400 level. In the morning also you can find the level 18,420. The support has been taken over there, 18,400 to 420 level. The low it was 18,400 and simply it has gone up to 18,590 level. Still the market is upside. There is no problem for the bulls in the market, but this much volatility is so common at this level. Still you can maintain the long positions for positionally, not intraday. The intraday it is the volatility, the much more volatility. So look at the Hindustan Unilever. Today it has dragged the market. Just it is dragging the market, and there will be the good chance of finding the support around 25, 21. That is a good support zone, monthly good support zone. If that is taken out, then we can find up to 2415 momentum trade. That will be. The Nifty spot, you can find Nifty spot here. When you find Nifty spot, okay, the daily and hourly, just you can find hourly. It has taken out the level 18,500. Then there is a good chance of finding the level up to 18,441 level. Okay, that will be momentum trade. Okay, today IT performing good, and the Reliance also performing good. The last half an hour is crucial. Too much volatility in the market. Be careful at this level. Look at the Tech Mahindra. Just in the morning, I put one video in my channel describing the levels in Tech Mahindra. Okay, already it has reached the level of 1547. Okay, that was the target given in the 2-minute video. Okay, it is good going, and it has taken out the level 1548, but at this moment going long is not preferable, but still there is a good chance of reaching higher levels. Okay, by keeping the stop loss at 1490 level, you can maintain the long positions. But at this moment simply the weekly also, it has taken out the resistance exactly at resistance zone. Closing above 1547 is a good chance to find higher levels in the coming days. Okay, above 18,500, there is a good possibility of going higher. Okay, the today market is look at the Nifty part. When you go for the Nifty part, okay, above 18,495, 490, the good chance of moving higher, but almost it is showing downward momentum. And in the morning, it has taken the support at 18,400 level. And at this moment, we are expecting the market to be in a volatility mode, sideways market. It is not up or down, but hourly it is showing downside up to 18,441 zone. Okay, 18,400 to 18,441, that is a good zone where it can take the support. There is a good chance of taking the support at 18,400 again. No weakness in the market. It is a little bit of profit booking and the little bit of shaky in the market. And Tech Mahindra is performing good, and Dixon, you can find Dixon Technologies. Dixon, find the Dixon. Today it has done very well, and hourly it is taking some profit booking. It is in the profit booking mode hourly, and good chance of taking the support at 5938 level. 5938 level. If 5938 is taken out, then you can find the support at 5853. It totally depends upon the market movement at this level, and it's good going. And you can find the Dixon. It is performing good, no problem at all. But hourly it is in profit booking mode, and there is a good chance of taking the support at 5938 or 5854 level. That is the zone where you can find good support, and you can find the levels up to 62337 again. and simply it is the black line which is showing 5854, which is going to be a good support at this moment. But Nifty in the last half an hour also, I am not expecting much more movement in the Nifty. The downside you can find up to 18,440 level. Upside the limited at this moment. Okay, maybe tomorrow we can expect good upside in the morning session itself, and US market is performing good at this moment. There is no problem for the tomorrow's market, but today it is a little bit of volatility is more. Be careful at this stage for the long calls. Look at Nifty spot. It is a Nifty spot. As I said, simply 441. 18,441 is a good support zone. There may be a chance of touching that level at this moment. It is showing downside only at this level, and short positions can be covered at 18,441 to 400 zone. That is a good zone where you can cover the short positions. Positionally, don't go for the short. Positionally, be long side. But intraday today, a little bit of volatility. Okay, hourly it is showing downside, completely downside. Okay, good chance of finding the support. Be careful. Nifty bank, the bank Nifty spot, you can go for the bank Nifty spot. Okay, look at the bank Nifty spot. It is also sideways market today. It is completely sideways. No weakness in the bank Nifty also. Be careful. But higher level, a little bit of consolidation. Okay, already it has taken the support around 39,400 to 39,482. It has made the low of 39,395 today. Okay, that was a good support zone. Okay, I'm not expecting much more downside at this moment. Of course, it is showing some downward momentum. Be careful and don't go for the fresh longs or fresh shorts at this moment. The moment is undecided, still going up or going down. Okay, volatility in the volatile market. Be careful. We cannot make much more profits in volatile markets. Be careful. I'm not discussing any of the fundamental factors why market is going down, going up. Okay, simply it is a price action. Completely we are going for price action. Okay, the support we need to buy if it is a uptrend. If it is a downtrend at resistance, we need to go for the short. That is the only terminology we used to use. Okay, I never find any reasons why market is down or market is up. It may be having its own reasons. But the price action is so important, the price levels are so important, that only we are concentrating. Okay, just the bank Nifty also, just it is struck in the range in between 39,671, 672, 39,740. That is the zone completely it is struck in the range, and no downside limited, upside also limited at this moment. That is the reason I am not advising any of the long or short calls at this moment. Overall market is the trend is uptrend only, no problem for the uptrend. Okay, still the uptrend is intact, no problem for us. And weekly and monthly it is showing a good upside only. Okay, when you look at Nifty spot, just you can find the weekly you can find it. Okay, still the support is at 18,300 zone. Weekly support is at 18,300 zone. Okay, there you can find good support actually. Okay, hourly simply below 18,500, the good chance of finding the support at 18,441. And look at ITC, simply ITC. Today it has gone for the profit booking, completely profit booking. Once 248 level has been taken out, 248 level has been taken out, and then there is a good chance of finding the support at 244. That is a good support. 244 to 239, that is a good support zone, and immediately the support will be taken there only. Be careful at that zone. Okay, just still the ITC weekly, the weekly it is showing some profit booking, completely it is in profit booking. Okay, until it reaches the level 239 to 240 to 237, that don't go for the long calls in ITC. Okay, it is in profit booking mode. Above 251 we can find good upside, but it has crossed the level 251. On closing basis below 251, there is a good chance to reach up to 239. In the daily basis, daily chart also showing same 241, 244 is a good support zone, exactly to 244 to 239. And weekly you can consider this simply the 239 to 237, that is a good support zone. Be careful, and those who wants to take long calls, they can take the long calls there. And monthly it is showing upside. Already it has faced the resistance at 266. Okay, and it is above 228. It is a good upside, no problem for the bulls. So still you can maintain it. In future you can find the level up to 300 levels in coming days, not now. It may take time, it may take months also, but it is there is a good chance of reaching up to 285 first year, 280 zone, then the 300 zone. There is a good possibility in coming days, but not immediately. Okay, be careful in case of ITC. And look at the Nifty part here. Just again I'm going back to the Nifty part. The index is important for us, and see here just I have specified hourly there is a good chance of finding the support around 18,441 level. Okay, 18,441, 440, that is a good zone where you can find good support. 400 to 440 from the last 7 or 8 days, 8 trading sessions, we are keep on finding upside only. Okay, there is a good possibility of reaching the level 18,423. Okay, it is going good, and 440 is our hourly target. The 18,440. It is reaching the level 18,440. Be careful at that level, 18,440 to 18,400 level. Be careful at that level. Look at Hindustan Unilever. Okay, this is the one script. We can say this is the reason. It may be the reason to drag the Nifty down, but I'm not finding any reason behind it. The technical it is showing that, and daily chart there is a good possibility of reaching the level 2476 level. And weekly also, just we are finding weekly Okay, already it has taken out the good support zone 2570, 2560. Okay, once that zone has been taken out in future, in coming days there is a good chance of finding the level 2400 level, but not immediately, it may take time. And monthly also support is at exactly 2518. If that level is taken out, then there is a good possibility of reaching 2413 or 2420. So be careful at this level. At this level there is a good chance of taking the support. Okay, 2520 is a good support zone for the Hindustan Unilever. Already it has reached that level. It has touched the level 2520. In our chart setup, simply it is showing 2518 is the good support zone. The first support will be taken over there, but don't feel that that is a support for buying the Hindustan Unilever. It is not a buying price. Still you have to wait before taking the long calls, and simply it is downside, completely downside only. Hourly downside, and daily also it is showing downside only. And the next one is Reliance Industries. Simply you can find Reliance Industries. Look at the Reliance Industries. It has taken the good support at the level 2682 level, or 2670 level actually. And then it has gone up to 2751. It has made a new high, and still there is a good possibility of touching the level 2800 for the Reliance. That much strength is there in the Reliance. Still there is a chance of finding the level 2800. Okay, there is no problem for the long calls in Reliance Industries. And look at Mindtree. You can find Mindtree. So when you go for Mindtree, it is also performing good, no problem for the bulls. The weekly it is showing good upside, and monthly also it is showing upside. There is no problem for the bulls. So wait for some time. There is a good chance to find the level of 5000, 5050 level in coming days. For the Mindtree, no problem. It is good going. Of course, today due to the market situations, simply it has shown somewhat profit booking at the end. Hourly it is showing downside, and good support level. It is at 47.75 at good support level. It's good going, no problem at all. Look at the Bata. Just you can find Bata. When you go for the Bata India, simply hourly support is at 2122 2095. Okay, it is a sideways market. A good support 2097. There onwards you can find again good upside. You can look at the Nifty part here. Just you can find Nifty part. In the Nifty part, already I given the target, hourly target of 18,440. It has reached the level 18,440 level. It's good going, no problem. Okay, 18,440 is a good support zone actually. Okay, 18,423. Simply tomorrow, if market has opened exactly 18,400 level or 423 level, so we can find upside only. Okay, hourly we touched the level 18,440. Too much volatility in the market today. Too much volatility in the market. Be careful. Okay, once the level 18,440 has been taken out, then there is a good chance of finding the level up to 18,400. Look at HDFC Bank. Okay, yesterday it was in profit booking mode. Okay, there is no problem for HDFC Bank. Tomorrow you can find the levels, good levels in HDFC Bank. Okay, look at the Nifty chart here. Whatever I expected that happened. Hourly it has reached the level 18,440 and 400. Okay, 18,400 is a good support zone for the Nifty. Look at say just 400. It has reached the level of 400, and look at the Bajaj Finance. When I go to Bajaj Finance, okay, the good support zone is 7700. That is a good support zone for the Bajaj Finance. Okay, below 7700 only you can find downside. Okay, 7750 is the good support. Already it is at support level, and we can find up to 7700. That is a good support for the long calls. And the market Nifty spot, you can find Nifty spot. Look at Nifty spot here. Just it is hourly. Look at hourly chart. Okay, just 18,400 has been taken out. Good morning. Just I put one video SX Nifty. In that I explained simply at any moment of time there will be a good chance of finding the profit booking. Be careful. Maybe today or tomorrow, but here I said simply the 400 zone is crucial zone for us, because Nifty spot, because here 400 zone is a crucial zone. I said simply the 18,395 to 400. If the support has been taken at 400 zone, again there is a good possibility of finding 100 points upside, not immediately. Look at the bank nifty. Look at the bank nifty. When I go to the bank nifty, here the good support is at 3950, the 510. That is a good support zone. Hourly support zone is at 39,510 to 39,400 zone, the 100-point zone. A good zone where you can build your long positions actually. US market upside only, no problem for the bulls. Look at the India VIX. It is showing upside, simply upside. Option writers, be careful. There is a good chance of finding upside in India VIX, but today, tomorrow, no problem with the VIX. Okay, 400, 18,400 is a good support. If that level is taken out at 18,300, you can find good support, strong support. And look at the Hindustan Unilever. What I said, simply 2520 is a good support zone for the Hindustan Unilever. It has taken the support over there 2520 and moving up a little bit of upside, but still it is not the upside. Still there is a good chance to be going down. It is an downtrend, hourly downtrend only. Okay, good level to go short is at 2640 zone. 2640 is a good zone where you can find shorts at this level. Okay, look at the Tata Motors. It is showing downside, a good possibility of finding the support at 425 zone. Okay, there is a good chance of breaking the level 460, and 425 is a good zone to enter the long for the target of 625 in coming days. Okay, monthly good upside, hourly also. The weekly it is in profit booking and at good support zone 479. If that 479 zone has been taken out, then there is a good possibility of finding the level 432. That is the reason I said simply good level to go long is at 425 zone. So look at the Nifty spot. This is the Nifty spot. So still unable to hold the location the 18,400. It has taken out the level. So look at the Tata Motors. Okay, you can observe the Tata Motors. When I look at the Tata Motors, simply it is showing a downside, hourly downside. In the daily chart also it is a good chance to reach up to 463. It is a normal shakeout only. It is not the trend change in the market actually. Still the time is there to say trend change, but it is not the trend change. It is a normal shakeout. Good shakeout, the good possibility you can enter the long calls at 18,300. The weekly good support is at 18,300 zone. Okay, still good possibility of going up. Okay, the simple shakeout. See on the Nifty, okay, simply above 18,400, okay, no problem at all. If it is closing above 18,440, no problem to the bulls. Okay, I'm expecting the Nifty to close above 18,400 and 420 zone. Okay, there is no problem for the bulls. It is a normal shakeout only. Generally, the weak calls will be taken out. Look at the Tata Motors, just Tata Motors, as I said. Still, there is a good possibility of reaching 463, 465 zone. Okay, it may happen tomorrow. At higher levels, these type of movements are quite common. It is not the trend change, still the long way to go. Look at the India VIX. It's showing a good upside, hourly upside. Daily, it is sideways actually. Completely it is sideways. Weekly also it is sideways, not completely up. And the monthly also, it is still not upside, sideways market. Look at ITC. When I go for the ITC daily, see just I said once 248 level has been taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 243. It is going towards the 243 244 zone. Okay, 244 is the zone where you can touch it. Okay, tomorrow if it is opened exactly above 244, then you can look for the long calls in ITC. If it is open around 255 zone, then look for the shorts again in the first hour. Yeah, IRCTC, just look at the completed the profit booking. Good support is at 48.11. You can find good support at 48.11 or 47.25. That is a good support zone for IRCTC. The weekly also, the profit booking may be ended at 48.60. Okay, that is the zone we can look for the long. Okay, 48.20, 47.25. That is a good zone where you can enter the fresh longs in IRCTC. It is a profit booking only, completely profit booking. Be careful at this level, and no need of exiting the longs at this level. Still you can wait for the longs to exit. Okay, look at the Nifty spot. Nifty spot, you can find it. You see, I said simply above 18,400 zone, the good chance of finding upside, and the good support has been taken. Still we have to wait until we can find some green candle around 18,382, 18,400 zone. Anyway, today's market is quite natural. Every Tuesday we are finding this type of movement. Earlier it was Wednesday, and now it has been shifted to the Tuesday. And its volatility is quite common, and US market is performing good. and there is a good chance of finding the higher levels in US market, then our market also going to perform in the beginning or first hour of the trade in next day, that is Wednesday. Anyway, today's market is completely volatile market. Look at finally we can find Hindustan Unilever. The good support, I said, simply 25-20 zone. If that zone is taken out, then only can find downside up to 2415. Okay, that is a good support zone for positional long. Thank you for watching our live stream. Have a good day.